I find also very interesting. And for pound dollar, we have two things to deal with. First of all, investor style trades. We still have one trade running. We had two others. I closed them on the previous week, and of course I will looking to resell. But for the long term, we should start to pay attention to this bullish hit and divergence. This bullish hit and divergence can take the pound dollar all the way to the last high again or even higher. Would that happen during the current calendar year? I am doubtful, because you know what I always say about the pound dollar, right? The pound tends to create a high at the beginning of the year. It did a high during this year on January. So I am very doubtful it could take us to the same high again. It could take us closer, but I am doubtful it could take us to 163.40. So we do need to pay attention to this bullish hit and divergence. As I said, it could take us to a double top around 162 or a bit higher. How we should join that? We should go for a 4-hour chart and confirm a bullish divergence there to go for a buy. Now, we did have a bullish divergence here, but is that a classical divergence? Definitely not. It's only histogram, while MACD moving average pushing really down. RSI does not create nothing. Stochastic does not create a clear divergence. It's not the best divergences we love to work with. Add the fact that it did break a head and shoulders pattern, and now retesting that, all that say that most likely it will continue lower. Now, interesting fact. So first of all, we do have the daily bullish hit and divergence, and we should still be prepared for the possibility the pound will, because of USA of course, will switch the sides and push it to the upside. If it does, that's what we want to happen. We want this trend line to break to the upside, and we want this range of resistances to break as well. That's in between 160 up to 160.20. We want it to break up, we want it to hold above, and only then it will be a good sign to jump in and to go for a buy, as I said, all the way to 162 plus, okay, the daily double top.